Power family.
Hey, what's up, Power Family? I just wanted to make this quick video real quick. The unboxing video is coming. It's coming soon. Haven't uploaded it yet, but it's coming. I've just been really busy with work and just other things. I haven't had a chance to upload the video, but as you can see, the TV, it's just doing just fine. I haven't mounted it on the wall yet, and I don't think I will for right now. I think it looks pretty good where it is, and I got everything all set up here, so I got it all nice and neat and organized. I managed to get some more of those zip ties, and I put about 25 to about 35 zip ties in the back of that TV stand, and I zip tied everything nice and neat. All the wires that I could get nice and neat. I only put about 35 zip ties. I think about 25 or 35 zip ties in the back of the entertainment center to make it nice and neat. I didn't go crazy and zip tie every wire, but I zip tied the majority of the wires that I needed to zip tie, so it would be nice and neat and organized. But I got my receiver right there, my S-Box 1 on top of the Verizon wireless cable box. I don't even use that anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of that soon because I just scream everything. Up here, I have a nice little mouse pad for decoration with these red boxes right here. No, they're not candy. They're PS4 controllers. I found some PS4 controllers on Amazon for $40. For $40, you get not one controller, but you get two controllers. You get two PS4 controllers for about $40 on Amazon. They're not the official PS4 controllers, but they don't have the Bluetooth and the speaker working with it, and they don't have the touchpad functionality working. But for $40, minus the Bluetooth and this little speaker in the middle and the touchpad thing, which I don't even use anyways. To me, they're pretty good. I mean, they're worth it. You get two for $40, so I ended up getting 12 of these. So I got 12 PS4 controllers. So that's pretty good. I might do an unboxing on one of these PS4 controllers. They are pretty nice. Minus the other features of the official ones, but you know, I don't really use Bluetooth. I don't use the speaker in the middle, and I don't use the touchpad anyways. So to me, it's pretty pointless paying $60 for one of those, and I can just pay $40 for like two knockoffs. And the two knockoffs are pretty nice anyways, and the battery lasts longer anyways. So it's a pretty win-win all around. I got myself a new surge protector, the Rocketfish surge protector over there, and I got myself a new Rocketfish 6-pin connector right there. So I got myself, and then I got myself the Rocketfish HDMI cable. So everything here is Rocketfish, so that's pretty cool. Got everything the same. So that's pretty nice. I got all my coding books right there, and I got my Wii U right there with the blue snowball. When I get the Series X, I'm going to take the blue snowball right there, and I'm gonna put it right on top of there. Then I'm gonna put the Series X right there, sanding up. I'm just sanding up the Series X right there on top of the Wii U. So it's gonna look really nice. And then eventually, when I do get a PS5, I'll get one eventually. When I do get one, I'm gonna put one on top of that big fat Xbox One right there. if it will fit on there. If it doesn't, then I'll probably put someone else. And then right here, I got the PS4 right here, and I got the Kinect, and I got the PS4 camera right here off to the side. I know you can't see that. PS4 camera's right there, PS4 in the middle, and the Xbox One Kinect right there. I really don't use the Kinect that much, but it's there when I need to use it. But very rarely do I. I got myself a little black, like kind of table to put over the TV stand, and I got the TV on that. So that's holding up pretty nicely. It holds the TV up good, so, and the PS4 controller, so it's holding up pretty good. So it's not too bad at all. And everything's nice and black, so that's really good. The TV, this is a Vizio M7 series 4K Quantum QLED 50-inch 4K smart TV. The TV is really nice. It took out the box. It was really nice. It was really nice. The colors really good on it. The colors really nice. The M7 series has 20 dots of color. And the M8 series has like 90 dots of color. So the M8 has a little 20 color dots. The M7, but the M7 TV out and pull it out, so that was really cool. So I guess I need help anyways, and I managed to do it all by myself, so I really need help I have yet to do like official TV stand. I think I'm gonna need it like this. Sometimes it comes with no instructions, so, and people say that the Amazon anyway, but for right now, everything's going good and great. For right now, I managed to put it like this. I managed to get it like this, so it's not looking half bad. It looks pretty damn good. Not half bad at all. The way it came out, I really organized it and made it look nice and fancy. And it didn't come out half bad. So came out pretty good. I just have to upload the unboxing of the video TV, and then I'm gonna have to do that unboxing pretty soon. I got myself a Turtle headset on Microsoft website. Well, the Xbox store for about $40, so not too bad. Not too bad. So, I guess that's it for this video. I just wanted to do a little update, guys. But yeah, what turned out to be a temporary solution ended up turning into a permanent one for now. But the way I did it all, didn't come out half bad anyway. And I kind of like this anyway. So I'll probably leave it like this until I can have some help building that black TV stand, whatever that may be. And I might put the TV on the wall, but I'm gonna have to move that speaker and probably put it over there, take down that paper, put that speaker over there, hang the TV on the wall. But I have the mount and everything, I just haven't yet to do it. But I might do it soon. If I do it, I'll make a video about the TV on the wall when that happens. I'm gonna need help for that because there's no way I can do that unless I'm hold the TV up and screw everything in. It'd be a pain. I know people have done it by themselves, but I wouldn't risk doing that by myself. I need help. Yeah, I hope everyone has a good day today. And this is the Power 99 FM saying peace and stay classy, yo. I'll see you in the next one, Power family. Peace, guys. Stay classy, yo. Stay classy.
Say subscribe wait coming to the colon name.fm.
Oh, she messed up on the Power 99 FM. She messed up on everything. You messed up on everything. Damn, that was a fail, Alexa. That was a fail. You messed up on everything. Wow. Wow, that was a fail. You failed. Okay, so after about 5 minutes of me cutting open this bag, because what I had to do, oh, my back. What I had to do was I had to take this pair of trusty scissors right here, and what I had to do was I had to cut the bag like this, all the way to the top. Then do the same thing over here, cut the bag like this, all the way to the top. And then I had to cut the bag like this, all the way to the other side. And then I had to cut the bag like this on the top, all the way to the other side to get the bag off the TV. So now that that is done, now that that is finally done, I can finally talk about the specs of the TV. Now, show you the inputs. And I'm going to do that right now. So, before I do that, I'm going to point the light over here so you guys can see it more. So,